How to make money on Twitch. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Twitch website. You can log in or register if you don't have an account yet. Fill in your details like username, password, date of birth, and phone number. A verification code will be sent to your email. Don't forget to check it. Once logged in, you can customize your profile. Go to your account settings and find the subscriptions menu. This is where you can enable channel subscriptions, one of the main ways to earn income on Twitch. You can also earn bits, a virtual good purchased by viewers to support your stream. Another great option is the Twitch affiliate program. To qualify, you need to reach 25 followers, stream for at least 4 hours on 4 different days, and have an average of 3 viewers. Once these criteria are met, you can apply to become an affiliate. As an affiliate, you unlock monetization tools like subs, bits, and even game sales. From here, your Twitch journey as a content creator truly begins. That's how you start making money on Twitch.